Hey everyone, welcome to your favorite channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I bring for you only best and unique affiliate product reviews. Are you looking for a profitable side hustle? Want a stress-free way to earn online? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how you can make money with our 500+ dog and cat PLR coloring pages pack. What if I told you that for less than $10, you could start a profitable side hustle today? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with this 500+ dog and cat coloring page PLR pack, you get high-quality, professionally designed illustrations that you can brand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. Whether you're into Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, selling printables on Etsy, or creating activity books for kids, this pack gives you instant content without the hassle. But is it really worth it? In this video, I'll show you how it works, how much you can earn, and whether this is the right investment for you. Stay tuned. What's included? Our pack includes 500+ high-quality, print-ready dog and cat coloring pages, suitable for kids and adults. You get detailed, hand-drawn illustrations, various dog and cat breeds, different artistic styles, commercial use rights to resell and profit. Who can benefit? This pack is perfect for Etsy sellers, print-on-demand businesses, self-publishers on Amazon KDP, bloggers and digital marketers, parents and educators. Ways to make money. Sell on Etsy, offer these as printable downloads. Coloring pages are a hot seller. Amazon KDP, create and sell coloring books. Just upload and start earning royalties. Print on demand, add designs to notebooks, mugs, or apparel. Membership sites, offer coloring pages as exclusive downloads. Local businesses and events, sell printed versions at fairs or pet-related events. Why this PLR pack? Saves time, no need to create illustrations from scratch. 100% unique artwork, no AI-generated or common stock images. Unlimited earning potential, resell and profit in multiple ways. Instant download, start using them right away. Want to grab this amazing deal? Click the link in the description and start monetizing your creativity today. Don't miss out. Get your 500+ dog and cat PLR coloring pages pack now and turn your creativity into cash. Dollar banknote artist palette. So, what are real users saying about this PLR coloring pack? Let's hear some quick testimonials. Emma R. I uploaded these to Amazon KDP and got my first sale within 48 hours. So easy and profitable. David S. I love that I can edit these pages and add my own branding. The quality is top-notch, and my customers love them. Act fast. This special launch price won't be available forever. If you're serious about making money online, now is the time to grab this PLR pack before the price increases. Click the link in the description below and start your journey toward passive income today. Don't wait until it's too late.